What's up, YouTube? Sunny the artist, and I'm here with you to show you how to wrap crystal necklaces, wire wrap, like this. I don't know if that's coming in clear, but that's some rose quartz I wrapped. Lepidite, and I'm like fairly new at wrapping crystals with wires. So, yeah. And then let me show y'all this Amazite I wrapped. And then they got the hoop on there so you can put it on a necklace. So it's basically a pendant. So I'm gonna teach you how to make something like this, like wrapping a crystal with wire. Also, I have an Etsy store. I sell crystal necklaces, which I'm going to drop right here so you can see. So if you like them necklaces, sorry, you go ahead down there in my description. I'm gonna have my Etsy shop, and you can go ahead and get them necklaces. You know, if anything catch your eye, you know. But to wrap these crystals, you're gonna need a crystal. But I'm trying to see which one I should wrap. I think I'm gonna wrap my amethyst. I'm gonna wrap an amethyst stone. Where the frick is it at? I'm just so unprepared. Okay, you're gonna need some wire. 18 gauge. What is this? I feel like 18 gauge is a nice gauge to use. It's a little thinner. And then I also have 16 gauge, which is a little thicker. The thing is with the gauges, the wire size, if it's like thicker, so this is 16, it's thicker, it's more like you gotta bend, it's like harder to bend than the skinnier ones. So if your fingers, you get arthritis or something, or you just can't bend for real, like just get you a little 18 gauge would be perfect. Or if you want it to look good, it just all depends on what you want. But let me find this crystal. I guess the amethyst ain't trying to get wrapped today. Oh, here we go. I found it. Okay, so what you're gonna need is the wire, the stone, it's amethyst, the wire, any type of wire, and then you want to get some wire cutters and some whatever this stuff is, little tools. Okay, so what we're gonna do is take some wire. I literally just be eyeballing this. So you see the crystal is like, it ain't big. So you can measure it out if you want, but just take enough and a little bit more just in case, because you know you can always cut it off. And what you want to do is cut the wire. Let me turn this down a little bit, maybe too loud. Okay. Okay, so what you're gonna do? This is how I do it. I just use one. Some people use 2 or 3, you know. But this is the easy way for me. How I wrap it real quick. Okay, so first you want to see how you want to have the crystal. I let the crystal talk to me. So I look at it and I'm like, okay, do it look good like that, or up and down like this? Like how would it look on the neck? I guess I'm gonna go with this. I think I like how that look. Sit up against like that instead of being backwards. They both kind of go. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna do this. I like how it is. So what you're gonna do? Make sure this is straight up. So you know how it's gonna be. You want to put it behind it. I'm putting this behind it. I know. Well, you can see. The back, yeah. That's how you want to be. You want to be like that. Okay. So what I'm going to do is going to take these pliers right here, and I'm going to just twist like this so you can. I'm trying to make the hole where it's going to be, you know. Oh shit. Let me unwrap this real quick. Make it thicker. Okay, so you take that, you just start ringing it around, making the loophole for the string. I don't know. I just do it probably like 3 or 4 times. And there you go. And then make sure this down. There. So after that, straighten it up a little bit. There. Should look like that. So what you want to do is put your crystal how you had it. You want to put it in the middle and leave a few inches. Leave a few inches. And put it against my shirt so you can see. Like when you put up against it, leave a few inches, because you're gonna, when you know you're gonna come back and wrap the wire around. So don't put it all the way up. Leave a little bit of space, you know. So once you have it, you want to have it like against it, like it's the spine of the goddamn crystal. And you can always twist this part so it don't have to be, you know what I'm saying? You can always twist that. So as long as you get in there steady, you can try to match it up this one. Okay, I got it. So now what I do, I literally just go around and just hold it tight. Oh my God, I'm sorry. Hold it tight. It's kind of hard to do. But I literally just, from down, I just go up and just start securing it. So literally, I just be going anywhere and just secure it. Make sure you hold it to the base, because that's going to keep it tight. You see, I just went around. Now I'm about to go around. Literally, right now what I'm doing is just trying to secure it. So, and you want to hold it the whole time so it's tight and it's not loose. Keep the grip. I'm not gonna make no loops on this one, but look, this is how it's turning out right now for me just making it secure. I can't really tell you what to do on this. You just go with the flow on it. Make sure you go up, around. And just make sure you keep your grip on it so it's tight, because you want it to be tight. It hurts your fingers too, so you just what I'm saying, you gotta. I'm trying to see if I should. I done forgot where the damn front at. Hold on. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna try to make a you can't really see this real. I was gonna try to make a curve, but I'm gonna just make this one just a straight shooter. Just trying to be fancy, but I don't want it. Okay. You see how tight I got this? So now what we gonna do? I'm done. It's secure. Look at the bottom, that ain't falling out. You know what I'm saying? That ain't falling out. I could go around it one more time. Just again, let me see. Let me go around the bottom one more time just to give it one more. Okay. So I don't even know where the front is anymore. Okay. So I went around it. Now I'm about to go around this part. I literally probably needed more string, but you're just gonna wrap it around this. I should have got more string, so. Or I can just like, if it's too tall and you ain't got no more string, you could just like just roll it. You know what I'm saying? Roll it in again. And get it tighter. That's what you can do. She gave it too much room. I feel like I'm just talking hella. You know. And then once you wrap it around, you're gonna have a little more piece, a little piece. What I do is I like to tuck that piece in the back. So just get one of your pliers and like take this piece that's sticking out. Hold on. Take this and tuck it in. Take this piece and tuck it inside of this. So I'm about to do it now so I can show you. This is. Oh. Okay, so what I did is I took that piece and I put it. Oh my gosh, I feel like you can't even see it. Why is this? Okay. Basically, I just tucked it under a string so it won't be poking out and hurt the person's chest. But now I'm thinking I did it on the wrong side. Okay, yeah, that's the back. Okay, so. Mash this in. I'm trying to figure out which side I want the front now because I done lost track. And then so how you like if you see a side that you think you like more, and then like but this part is like a different way. Because you know you need it to face a certain way so you can put it, it can show on the necklace. All you do is, damn. Oh shit, here we go. You take one of these, like I got a flat, and then you just twist it wherever way you want it to be. And it'll go. So you just twist it that way, it'll be that way. So that's how you do that. I think I like it this way. So, and there's the pendant, the amethyst, that's the back of it. Well, probably was the front. And then the back. Oh shoot, oh this the yeah, that's the front. And then you just, that's it. You put it on the shirt, on a string, on a, make a necklace. It's a ready to put on necklace. Literally that easy, and that fast. Well, that's it. I hope this helped. I hope you figured out how to wrap a crystal.
Bitch, I'm one and young Weezy, man, this shit too easy. Different bitch for every season, showing me they cleavage. I take drugs and feel relaxed, it's like that therapeutic. She take that pussy on call back so she won't think I need it. Made it out of jungle, my ball ain't got no jumper. Rest in peace, my uncle. Never met, but I still love you. Remember that pussy from way back, playing I pay on the popper. Stayed in the hood where the killers at, made my pillow a chopper. man, that was you looking at, and we done updated the roster. You can tell it's a rich nigga posture. Y'all gon' want on spitting it popper. Trapping at school, I was serving bags. Probably was searching my locker. Who did your jury? It look like brass. One of your bro should've stopped you. It's Young Wonder and Young Weezy, man, this shit too easy. Different bitch for every season, showing me they cleavage. I take drugs and feel relaxed, it's like that therapeutic. She take that pussy on call back so she won't think I need it. I stick deep inside her throat, it ain't no more breathing. If I don't post and I go ghost, it's gon' be for a reason. Just got my reading and my reasons, I'm booked out the region. This jury call on me, I'm freezing, no way I'm anemic.
Put up to the photo, man, this shit too easy. Y'all gon' chop a brick like judo, snatch a Lamborghini. I got a different bitch for different places, different seasons. Bitch ain't playing the position, cutting her off, this shit too easy. I started all smash R&B stars right at the band up. I'm having hoes on the west south, thinking I abandoned her. I'm having pippin' in my blood and I can change the climate. I threw the money on her to the price up like I designed it. Can't put a presidential on a bitch, let you get a nigga Minaj. That little IG bitch ain't shit for the in her car. Fuck round to the side piece, pop